breaking up with bad habits. The meaning of sworn off. Hello, wonderful language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's often heard in conversations about habits, resolutions, and sometimes, regrets. Have you ever sworn off something? Well, if you're not quite sure what that means, you're in the right place. We're going to unpack the phrase, sworn off, so that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it but be able to use it like a native speaker. Let's get started. Sworn off is a phrase that combines the past participle of the verb swear with the preposition off. To swear is to make a serious promise, and off, in this context, indicates a removal or cessation. When someone has sworn off something, they have made a firm decision to stop using it, doing it, or engaging with it entirely. It's a personal commitment to abstain from a particular habit or activity. Let's put sworn off into context with some examples. After a terrible bout of food poisoning, Jenna has sworn off sushi. She just can't stomach the thought of it anymore. Mark has sworn off smoking. His last cigarette was over a year ago, and he's been breathing easier ever since. I've sworn off dating for a while, admitted Sarah. She feels like she needs some time to focus on herself. In these examples, sworn off highlights a decision that often stems from a negative experience or a strong resolve to improve one's life. When using sworn off, it's important to note that it carries a sense of solemnity. It's not a casual decision, it implies a serious commitment. Sometimes, it can also suggest a sense of finality, as if the person is closing a chapter in their life regarding the habit or activity they have given up. For those who love to expand their vocabulary, here are some synonyms and related phrases. Given up, quit, renounced, abandoned, forsaken. While all these words convey a similar action to sworn off, they don't all carry the same weight of a solemn promise. Now, let's practice together. Try to create your own sentences using sworn off. Remember, it's often used to talk about habits, foods, or activities that someone has decided to stop engaging with, usually for personal reasons. I hope this exploration of sworn off has illuminated a new phrase for you to use in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with new phrases and expressions at every turn. If you've sworn off using the same old vocabulary, then today's lesson is a step in the right direction. Happy learning, and until next time, keep practicing.